I'm gonna come down here for a second.
Looking back on what I did wrong, and it seems like there's nothing I can say. So make this surprising line disappear before their eyes and make it all okay. See, it's not up to me, but I'm waiting so damn patiently, and now the night's creeping in. Don't you wonder how it would turn out if we took the time to let it all begin? You know there's only so much that I can do.
Oh, turtle!
All I wanted was something to take me away, and I guess I found it, but the expiration date never changed. And if you told me, well, I would probably ask you to stay. Well, I can always change my mind, 'cause it's never too late. The sun comes up and I'm ready to go, but I won't wait for anyone to come, no. You got me twisted up, but how would you know when you close your eyes and you think you see it all? But hearing your voice tonight makes me think about the times that I wanted more than you could ever give. And in this crowded room I try to find my way to, but we get caught up in the lives I chose to live. You know there's only so much that I can do.
I hope you guys like it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.
All I wanted was something to take me away, and I guess I found it, but the expiration date never changed. And if you told me, well, I